family eats 2 pounds of potatoes every day for a week. Oh, check the spelling there. Just saying. Each pound of potatoes costs 39 pence. What is the total cost of the week's potatoes? Right, so let's find out what's the golden rule. Absolutely. First find one. So we'll find out how much we ate in one day. So 39 pence plus 39, 18, carry the 1, 3, 6, 7. So that's 78 pence per day. But how many days do we want it? A week. Now let's just check it doesn't say weekday or weekend. It's a week, so that's 7 days in the week, 5 weekdays and 2 weekend days. What is the total cost of a week's potatoes? So we times it by 7, that's right. 8 times 7. Oh, hang on. It's 56, isn't it? I suddenly doubted myself, which is very sensible. 7 times 7 is 49, plus 5 is 54. Now, is it 546 pounds? No, it's 546 pennies, because it was the pennies that we were counting. So therefore, we need to make it into pounds. How many pennies in a pound? Absolutely, 100. So it's £5.46. Does that sound about right? I think it does.